bigay ng apo ko, si Kuya J. Kain po tayo. Habang nakanta. I never know what brought me here. If somebody led my hand, it seems I hardly had to speak. My course was planned, and destiny it guides us all. And by its hand we'll rise and fall, but only for a moment. Time that the cats are built again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan.